Hello! Ikaw ba ay nag-iisip din na mag-start ng rental business sa Pilipinas ngayong 2025? Ako po si Claudine Gallagher. I am a property investor in the Philippines since 2017. Last year, 2024, I have successfully mentored couple of students na din, and it has been a very good impact. And today, I'm now officially opening again my calendar to accept mentorship. Kung sino yung gustong mag one-on-one mentorship, I highly recommend one-on-one kasi mas mabilis yung pag-start nyo ng rental business nyo no matter where you are from the world. Kasi with my experience, magagamit nyo na siya para ma-eliminate lahat ng risk at saka yung magiging mistake nyo. So as long as you follow the instruction at saka yung guidance na ibibigay ko sa inyo. So, posible ba talaga na pwede kang makapag-start ng rental investment mo kahit nasa abroad ka? Yes, because even nung nag-start pa lang kami, nakatira na ako abroad. So, I was able to do that. And kahit nandito na ako ngayon sa Ireland, I'm still able to manage kahit wala ako sa Pilipinas. So, kung gusto nyong maging successful katulad ko, feel free to send me an email. We can book you in a consultation. I do charge a consultation fee for an hour, but napakamura naman po. Lahat ng pwede nyo nang itanong sa akin, and then if you sign up for my one-on-one mentorship, I can then discount that later. So if you want to start this 2025, don't miss the chance. Don't worry about the big money right now. What you need to do is educate first. Kailangan nyo munang matuto sa mga experienced investor na katulad ko, or hindi man sa akin, you look for somebody. It's important muna na mag-invest muna kayo to educate yourself bago kayo tumahak, kasi baka nag-start kayo and then mali yung nabili nyo, and then you will ended up losing more money and then taking liability rather than yung passive income. So again, my email would be on the description, but it's claudinedgallagher@gmail.com kung interested kayo for mentorship, or if you want to have just a consultation. Even with the consultation lang, madami ka nang matututunan. Pwede mong itanong lahat sa akin na gusto mong malaman tungkol sa rental investment. And then you can decide later kung gusto mong mag-proceed sa one-on-one mentorship. So again, I look forward to meeting you, and I can't wait to help you to start your rental business in the Philippines. I'll see you in my next video. And please don't forget to check my other videos. I'll share a lot of tips as well. And perhaps you can share also for those people na naghahangad din or nag-aspire na maging rental investor sa Pilipinas. See you! Bye-bye!